All right, so it is being said that if you want to practice English, see, first of all, I would like to let you guys know that I am a kind of person who is trying to get better at spoken English. Of course, my English is, I would rate my English as conversational English, but still, see, everybody wants to improve, everybody wants to get better at anything, at any skill that you are going to improve. Of course, my English is not at all good, but see, I don't want to give you a lengthy introduction, but the main thing is that we all have heard that if you want to practice English or any language, you should speak at least, right? Speaking is the best thing because you are trying to practice spoken part, right? You are not going to give any exam of any written English or any particular language. See, here I am trying to learn English, spoken English, right? So I don't focus much on vocabulary. I don't focus much on reading newspapers or reading articles. Of course, whatever we see on internet and stuff like that, we get to read a lot of things, and that also contributes. But if we want to get strong and really very confident in the speaking part, then of course we will have to speak. It's just like if you want to become a great swimmer, or not even a great swimmer, but at least a swimmer, you will have to practice swimming in the water. You can get the theory on the internet, you can read some articles or stuff like that, but that will not make you a practical swimmer. All right, so the topic for today is, it's a very long introduction, I'm really very sorry. So I will try to make as many videos as possible. I will try to make videos almost daily if I am able to do so, if I get some time and mood to do so. All right, so topic for today is, let's say, YouTube, because I'm going to upload this video on YouTube, so I pre-decided this topic. All right, so let's talk about YouTube, and I will try to speak not more than for 1 to 2 minutes only, hardly 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes, not more than that, because your time is also precious and we all are practicing. I mean, I don't know about you, but of course if you are watching this video, then of course you might be thinking about learning about improving the spoken English part. Then that's how I can assume this part. All right, YouTube. If I talk about YouTube for next 1 to 2 minutes, YouTube is, I would say, for me it's a great tool. Whenever I have to learn anything, whenever I have to polish my existing skills or learn any new skill or get to know about anything, any damn thing. Earlier I used to Google a lot, but now everyone likes to see practical things. So this is why I directly jump to YouTube and I start searching about that particular topic, and I start watching the videos, and that has really helped me. I mean, I have been watching videos on YouTube continuously since last, I would say, at least 6 to 7 years. This is the thing that I am mentioning continuously. I have been doing it continuously. And if I talk about the beginning part, that since when I first started watching YouTube, then I guess it was at least 12 to 13 or maybe 14 years ago. Maybe I started watching videos on YouTube back in 2008 or 9, maybe, or might be 10. No, it was I guess it was way before 2010, so it was maybe 2008 or maybe 9. Right, so yes, I have been connected with YouTube since a very long time. I have been a creator also. I have a couple of YouTube channels. I have a fitness health related YouTube channel. The channel's name is Fit Survivor, and at the same time I have one more channel that is related to art, like pencil sketching and all. And this is another channel, although I have couple more channels as well, but I do not upload many videos on those channels, so I'm not including the names. Of course, as I start uploading more and more videos on this channel, so I will talk about those channels as well. But this channel, that is Amit from Gurgaon, I might change the name of this channel any day. I'm not sure about that. We are humans, our moods keep on changing, our ideas keep on change, so we cannot I cannot predict the future completely. I cannot give a very strong and what is that called, a very, I'm not getting the right word for that, but I'm not going to give a verdict about something that okay, this will only be the channel's name. Presently it is Amit from Gurgaon, because Gurgaon is the city where I live in India. Gurgaon is basically in Haryana state, and it's in India, I guess. So whoever is from Haryana or India or from Gurgaon itself or Delhi itself, you guys must be knowing what is Gurgaon, which city is Gurgaon. All right, so YouTube, this video is getting lengthier, so I'm trying to summarize the things. So YouTube, of course, it's a great tool, if I have to sum up it in two to three lines, I will try to sum it up in 2 to 3 lines. YouTube is, if you want to see anything practically being done, YouTube is a great thing. And I believe I have, whatever the level of my knowledge is because of YouTube only. I mean, not the 100% part, but majority of things. There are so many things related to, be it body language, be it related to business, be it related to my own professional skills or any other skills, marketing, sales, how to talk to people, what should be the behavior, motivation, inspiration. So many things I've learned from YouTube. And I don't remember any day where I didn't watch even a single video on YouTube. I watch videos on YouTube daily. And if I talk about the average videos watched, see, since last 5 to 6 years at least, my average videos on YouTube that I watched is at least about 40 to 50 videos, right? I won't extend this session. I hope you guys got an idea of how we can practice. I guess 6 to 7 minutes of video is more than enough for a topic. And my jaws and everything, my tongue and each and everything has practiced a lot. It has exercised, because what happens is when we speak, like my first language is Hindi, right? So in Hindi our mouth works in a certain way, our tongue, our jaw works in a certain way, but in English it works in some other way. So this is why we feel a bit of discomfort while speaking in English, but it happens in the beginning part only. It happens when we do not speak that particular language much. I'm not stretching this video anymore. I hope you guys like this video. And clapping one Camly, if you are watching this video, you guys can sponsor me. You guys can introduce any affiliate program if you guys have. And I would really love to speak with the people, with the native speakers, or with the people who are already fluent in English. And I really want to talk to them so that they can find some errors and they can enhance, they can help me in enhancing the level of my English. I see you guys. Please give me a like and comment whatever you feel about me. What did I just say? Whatever you think about this video, or whatever you think of my English speaking skills. Of course, it is not at all good, but at least it is conversational English. I can make people understand. I can understand them a little. See you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.